Hello and welcome to our AFT Impulse 10 Quick Start video tutorial series, Video 6. In this video, we are going to discuss how to use the Graph Results window to make helpful graphs from the model results. If you have not already, run the model to obtain results by clicking the Run Model button on the toolbar. Click the Graph Results button in the Solution Progress window after the solver finishes to go to the Graph Results window. If you are unfamiliar with creating graphs in AFT Impulse, you can use the Graph Guide to walk you through the steps. We will use the Graph Guide to create a simple graph. For this model, there are three types of graphs available: a transient pipe graph, which shows how an output value changes over time at a specific pipe location, a transient junction graph, which shows how an output value changes over time at a specific junction, and a profile graph, which shows how output values change along a flow path. Note that with profile graphs, you can create an animated graph which will show how a selected parameter changes throughout the specified flow length during the simulation time. Click the Transient Pipe graph type and follow the steps. If you would like to change the formatting of the graph, click the Formatting button to change fonts, text sizes, scaling, line styles, and colors. You can also right-click on the chart titles, axis titles, or names to change those directly. You can toggle graph lines using the checkboxes in the legend. You can also create more than one graph at a time. Click the green plus icon at the bottom right to add a new graph tab. For this graph, we will create a more advanced plot to compare static and stagnation pressures. To add a parameter, click the Add button. If you would like to make this parameter part of a secondary y-axis, select the parameter and click the blue arrow pointing to the right to indent the parameter in the list. This designates it as a secondary y-axis parameter. You can also add a secondary y-axis by adding two rows for the same parameter but using a separate set of units. Instead of a secondary y-axis, you can create stacked graphs that use a common x-axis. Let's create a stacked graph to include the volumetric flow rate in a separate plot below pressure. We now have two plots stacked on top of each other: pressure on top with stagnation pressure on the secondary axis, and volumetric flow rate displayed on the bottom. Now that we have created a quality graph, click the folder with a blue plus sign on the toolbar to save the graph for quick generation later. You can give the graph any name you'd like. You will notice that the borders turned dark green to identify that you successfully added the graph to the Graph List Manager. The color coding also shows which graph list item and parameters that the plot corresponds to, such as red for transient pipe graphs. Let's make a small formatting change by modifying the x-axis scaling. You will notice that the border changed from dark green to light green to indicate that we changed a saved graph list item. To save these changes to the graph list item, click the folder with a green circle and checkmark. Note that the graph list items save to the model file. This means that AFT Impulse does not save the new graph list items and changes to existing graph list items until you save the model file. To demonstrate how to use graph list items quickly, We are going to make a change to the model, run the model again to get new results, then use the graph list item to regenerate the graph. Note that the maximum pressure is currently about 100 psia. Now I'm going back to the workspace to change the liquid surface elevation of the reservoir in J1 to 60 feet and run the model again. On the graph results window, we can double-click the graph list item to regenerate the same plot as before, now updated with the new results we just obtained. Note that the maximum pressure has increased as expected and is now 110 psia. In summary, the graph results window provides easy to understand features to create detailed and customizable graphs. You can save these graphs for quick generation later when making updates to the model. Thank you for watching, and feel free to refer to the other topics in our AFT Impulse 10 Quick Start video tutorial series.